thank you so much for tuning in. I do recipes every single Tuesday, so if you like this one, why not subscribe and you can see more. Let's crack on, shall we, with another recipe today. And today I'm making one of my childhood favourites, the Jammy Dodger. Oh, is that a UK only thing? I'm not sure. Should have done my research. But anyway, shortbread-like biscuit with jam filling and a little heart cut out on top so that you also just feel really loved when you're eating one. We're going to start by making our dough, and that begins by adding 225 grams of room temperature butter into our KitchenAid. You can also do this with a hand whisk. You can actually also do this with just sheer arm strength and determination, but if you haven't been here before, you won't know that I'm really lazy. 125 grams of icing sugar, not caster sugar, because you want the crumb of this biscuit to be lovely and smooth. We're going to switch it on 1 so that we don't get a cloud. Oh, I've still done it. It's like stars in their eyes. What we're looking for is for our butter and sugar to cream together into a lovely, light, fluffy, pale butter. It's got to be a song with rounding. Don't need nobody, got my honeys when I go. When I go, when I go, when I go. Have you heard the word about the bird and the spider that wriggled and jiggled and swiggled inside her? I seen it, it real like this. Right, now that is looking beautifully fluffy. Let's give you a gander. Whippy, soft butter. Now that's the base of our dough. We're going to get in there with our other key ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, not essence, not flavouring, no. We're also going to go in with 2 medium egg yolks, free range please, no excuses, and 300 grams of plain flour that we've just sifted. There you have a beautiful soft dough. It's going to be like a cookie dough consistency, so it is lovely and soft. You also want to prepare for yourself a little bit of cling film that we're just going to put the dough in the fridge for about an hour, so that when you roll it out, you've got something firm to roll out. I really want to eat that. I did. Okay, so our dough has had an hour to rest in the fridge and it is firmed up beautifully. 2 baking trays have been prepared with some greaseproof paper. The oven is on at 180 degrees centigrade, and I've got a nice flat surface that I'm just going to lightly flour in preparation. Now, to make our life easier, we are actually going to split this dough in half. We're just going to pop it onto the board, flatten it out a little bit, and you're going to roll this out to about the thickness of a £1 coin. Now, I've said this before, which is really useless for people who don't live in the UK and thus don't have £1 coins. But it's basically like, what, 3 millimetres? Alright, make sure it's nice and level. Oi! Don't do that. Do not do that. Now I've got here some cutters. I am actually going to use the fluffy edge cutter because Jammy Dodgers have a little fun design, which I don't have a stencil for, so I'm just going to use a cutter. It's about a 7cm cutter. So we're literally just going to cut these out, pop them out and pop them onto your tray. So now we've got 2 trays of equal biscuits. We are going to make the Jammy Dodger heart that needs to be present in a biscuit, because otherwise it's not Jammy Dodger. How's your jam going to show through? So get yourself a sharp knife. I'm going to be artistic and just cut it out by hand. And then both of these are going to go into an oven, 180 degrees, for about 10 to 12 minutes, or basically until you see that they've gone gorgeously golden brown. So our biscuits are out the oven, they have cooled. Now I have one of those ovens where it's very, very hot at the back and not very hot in the front. So we have got a slight more colour on a few than others, but don't do what I do and just walk away. Check on them and spin them round. We're all learning here. Now all that's left to do is to sandwich our Jammy Dodgers together. And with that, I've just got some seedless raspberry jam. No need to like loosen it down or anything. Once you give it a good stir, it will be the perfect consistency. And then you're going to take 1/2, and we're going to take a paired up top side. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of jam right into the centre. Give it a little splodge. Lovely. All that's left to do is to sandwich on our top. Give it a little press slightly so that jam comes through the heart. I love it! How cool is that? Beautiful. I'm going to finish off the rest of them and then we'll have ourselves a set. I am blooming chuffed. Look how cute they are. And they were so easy. We're going to sprinkle on a little bit of icing sugar and see whether they are as delicious as the real thing. That's a Jammy Dodger. Oh, such a good day. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world. If you give this recipe a go, please tag me at the Katie.Pix, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let me know in the comments box. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday. Until next time, guys, thank you so much. Bye.